This is a quick overview of how to use an online textbook to make Quizlet flashcards very quickly. So you can see I've done two that I copied and pasted from the textbook, and you just put a tab in between the term you want on the right and the terms you want on the left. And so we go up here and we go back to the textbook, and we can see these boxes are generally very important, so we'll want to be able to put those into our Quizlet deck. And we're just kind of scanning it to see all that's on it that we might want to know for the quizzes or tests. So then we go back up, it loads, and then we see another box right here. So boundary changes 1818 to 1819. So we'll definitely want that, so we'll copy that and then go back to our Word document or Google Doc, and then we'll copy and paste that directly in. And we'll come back and we'll get the text that we also want to attach to it on the other side of the flashcard. Then we'll add that after we added a tab. Then we can go down and then go back. We can see this map. I'll show you how to use these maps in another video, but here's a little quiz. So you'll definitely want to add this one to the video because any stuff that's quizzed that directly might be something that your teacher will test. We didn't add this in this video, but we went back and added it. So then we have, oh, here's a key term. So you definitely want to add those. You just pull it down, copy and paste, and then go back into the Google Doc and add it. Oh, that one didn't paste well, so we just typed it in. And then tab, and go back to the textbook. And then copy out the definition, and then add that back to the Google Doc. And fix any spelling or punctuation that you want to change. And then we can go back to the textbook. And we have that summarize the main differences or disputes between the US and Britain. You'll want to add that as a flashcard as well. Then we get to this part of the textbook that has a lot more text than the other parts of the textbook. So this one you'll need to spend a little bit more time on deciding how to pull out the important parts. So I would suggest reading this very carefully and then trying to think about how to pull out the most important stuff that the teacher might want to quiz you on. And it's a little bit tricky. There is quite a bit of reading. Oh, but then we can see at the bottom there's another keyword, so we'll want to grab that and put that into our Quizlet. We'll put that back up here and tab, go back and grab the definition. And add that to, there we go, just paste that right in. Okay, so then there's another reading check down here, so we'll want to add that one to our Quizlet deck as well when we're done. We go back up and think what else would be important from here, and it's a little bit, especially the first few times you do this, it's a little bit tricky, so you have to think about what might he want. Like, does he want Andrew Jackson's nickname? Is this important? Then we go back and look at what we already have. We have a lot of definitions and people. So probably some of this is very important and will be quizzed. But we're a little bit stumped at this point. So a good thing to do is to go to an old check-in. And then you can start to get a feel for what might be important. So here we see commanders are important. We see that he's asking details about what were the effects of a certain war or battle. So we'll definitely want to pay attention to those. And then how many Federalist leaders, so he's looking for numbers, anything that you can sort of quantify. It's like names, dates, numbers of people, battles. So we want to go back to the textbook and look for that type of stuff. So we can see that probably Andrew Jackson is important because he's mentioned so many times. but we don't want to mess this up with Andrew Jackson's presidential and other stuff because he did a lot of stuff. So we're going to do Andrew Jackson, Florida, so that we can keep it straight, especially if we're combining Quizlet flashcards for the final. So we'll go back up here and think, okay, well, probably April 1818 is important. And what did he do then? Because he invaded Florida. So we'll copy and paste that and put that into there and see if there's anything else that we think is important about him. So it's like, so should we think about Spain objected? Probably not. Okay, so what were the impact of his actions? So it convinced Spain to negotiate with the United States. So we're going to copy that and paste that in. So that's a good sampling. So now we're going to go into Quizlet. So we have module 8. We're going to do import. So you go back to your Google Doc, you copy and all the stuff, and then you're going to paste it right into here. And that's really fast. So then you can scroll down and make sure all the things you want on the left are on the left, and all the things you want on the right are on the right. There's a little bit of a space there we can fix later. So then when you're happy with it, you pick import, and then if you want to fix anything, you can go up here, fix that, and then when you're done, just hit create.